Am I the only one that didn't know how easy it is to start an online business? Let me show you. First things first, choose a profitable niche. Think about what you love and what people need. Next, gather your essential tools: website, social media, and email marketing. Wondering which type of online business suits you best? From blogging to selling products, the options are endless. In Level 2, we'll dive into affiliate marketing, learn to pick the right affiliate programs, create content that converts, and master SEO. Your online presence will be unstoppable. Hear from successful entrepreneurs. Their stories will guide you and keep you motivated. Avoid common pitfalls with expert advice. By the end, you'll have a solid plan to start and grow your online business. Don't wait. Your journey starts now. Click the link below to enroll today.